All right, friends, are you ready? You ready for some flight time? This is my first flight of the Mavic 2 Pro. I just received this afternoon. I know some of you may know, I corresponded with some of you that I wasn't sure if I was going to get this or not, this or the Zoom version, but I did. So here she is. And I thought I'd bring you along with me for my first flight. Why not bring extra camera and audio recording devices and stuff as I'm trudging a few miles up a mountain, right? Okay, so I got the Fly More kit or combo, whatever you call it. So I have extra batteries. I have the battery hub, which is awesome. I have the battery hub for my Mavic Pro, and it is indispensable for me. I really like how we have these the little joysticks are screw in, and you can tuck them away in the little handset. It's really handy. By the way, I'll do a full review of this, but right now, you know, these are my first thoughts on it. Okay, what else do I need? I need my phone. Where's my phone? Where is it? I like to clear out all my apps before I fly. I don't know if that's necessary, but but I do it. So, okay guys, I'm gonna get her started up and then we'll fly. Well, I'd say she performed admirably. I kept her up until she was actually down to 25% battery life. I just flew around, kind of experimented with how fast and everything. Yeah, I do have it in sport mode, I think. So, yeah, fast. And I have to say, my first impression of flying this thing is that it is much more smooth. Like, everything is more smooth than the original Mavic Pro, and I love the Mavic Pro. I would happily fly that today, but definitely this everything, like from tilting the camera is much more smooth, and the kind of turning, like at first I thought, oh, these joysticks are kind of stiff, but everything seems much more smooth when you're turning and going up and going down. And yeah, wow. I mean, I saw in, like, I watched the DJI YouTube video on, you know, introducing these, and they said something about it being small changes that make a big difference, and it really did. So I'm really happy. I love it. I love it. I love it.